Hello everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is going to be about 4 low-tech tools or devices that I use in my anti-aging skincare routine. So let's jump into it. Yeah, these are just going to be a few tools that I use to help my skin look better and feel better, and don't cost a fortune and don't need to be charged. There's no technology associated with them at all. And some of them have been around for thousands of years. So we're going to start with the tool I think that does the heavy lifting in my routine right now, and that is my microneedling tool. One of the most talked about benefits of microneedling is its effect on acne scars or really scarring of any type. Tiny little needles create tiny little punctures in the skin to stimulate the skin's wound healing process and trigger collagen production. This results in improved texture and smoother skin, reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, scars and stretch marks are minimized and in some cases diminished. There's a reduction in pore size and hyperpigmentation and an enhanced absorption of products into the skin. The results are impressive, and that's why I wanted to incorporate microneedling into my own personal skincare routine. Now, you can have this done professionally at a cost of about $350 or so, depending on where you are in the country. And many of you probably have or may have. And if you have, do me a favor and tell me about your experience in the comments below. But I decided to try it at home first to see what kind of results I got. And so at the end of last year, I started using something called the Banisher microneedling device from Banish Skincare. So today I'm going to talk more about my results. And this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Banish. And they have a new starter kit selling at a great value. So I wanted to thank Banish for giving me the opportunity to try the kit and tell you about it. So in the kit, you get this. This is the Banisher 3.0 tool. You also get 2 of these attachable heads in the 0.5 millimeter size. And these just screw right off like that. And they have a case covering them so they stay nice and safe. And then you just clip it right back on, and it snaps into place like that. And so this covers up the needles, which are here in the top. And this particular one is the 0.5 millimeter. You get 2 of these detachable heads in the 0.5 millimeter size. You also get a head in the 0.25 millimeter size and an additional head in the 1 millimeter size, which is this one. That's just the beginning. The 0.5 millimeter head is the one that I use the most often, and that one is great for diminishing acne scars, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and deeper product absorption. So for me, that's the workhorse. The 0.25 millimeter is great for lip plumping and getting in this area here around to get at those crow's feet. The 1.0 is good to use on the body for body scars, stretch marks, and really deeper scarring. These heads have gold-plated titanium bristles or needles, and the company says that these needles are the thinnest on the market. And so in total, you get about 32 microneedling sessions for the whole kit. And that works out to a cost of about $7 per session. Also included in this kit, they have some selections from their skincare line, including the Banish Vitamin C Serum. You've got the Vitamin C Moisturizer here in the Vitamin C Cream, which I believe is in a jar now as opposed to a bottle. But yeah, you'll get the Vitamin C Cream. You'll get a jar of the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This stuff smells absolutely divine. Yeah, you can see there it smells just like a fresh pumpkin. And then you will also get a jar of their Fighter Gel. This is for breakouts, eczema, and this is what I put on my body over the winter when I developed itchy irritation from hives, and this really helped to stop the itch and calm those down. So that's not what they say this is used for, but I found that it worked really well for me for that purpose. This fighter gel has a very, you can see it really is a gel. It has tea tree in here and peppermint and things that give this a very refreshing feel and a fragrance as well, refreshing fragrance as well. Finally, in the kit, for a limited time, you will also receive a $30 gift certificate. So the starter kit at a cost of $250 is the best value on their website. You can also use my coupon code Cheryl05 for an additional $5 off. But you also have the opportunity to buy the regular toolkit with the 2 replacement heads or any of their skincare items individually. Their skincare, by the way, is made in small batches, uses all natural ingredients, and comes in sustainable packaging. For example, these jars are all glass. So I use the tool on my face about every 10 days to 2 weeks. And I did a video back in February demoing exactly how I do it. So I will put that video in the cards for you down below. So if you didn't get a chance to see it and you'd like to, you can check that out. And I always follow my sessions with a vitamin C serum. Now on the website, it says that following your session, you can use a vitamin C serum. They also recommend hyaluronic acid or growth factors. So I went with the vitamin C. And my skin always tingles a little bit afterwards, but that doesn't last very long, maybe like 20 minutes. And then it just feels normal. I will apply my sunscreen, my Sky and Soul sunscreen, which is a really great moisturizer, and then I'm ready to go out. Now the website says that you will see minor improvement in 4 to 6 sessions. And I would agree with this. I've started seeing improvement. I've been doing this, as I said, since the end of last year, so a little more than 6 months. I've probably done, well, you can do the math on that if I do it every 2 weeks. And what I have noticed, especially this last month, is that my face, there is more tension in my face, in the sense that it's not as lax. The skin around here is not as lax. It feels plumper. Like, you know how sometimes you can feel like you have thinner skin or something? My skin does not feel that way. It feels structurally very strong and plump. There has been a softening of wrinkles in this area right here where they were, because this is, when I drive, I get direct sun right here on this side of my face. This was starting to show deeper lines around the crow's feet. Those have softened up and are almost gone, as you can see. And then finally, overall, my skin just feels a lot smoother and softer. So I'm really happy with the results that I've been getting using this, plus skincare, of course, and I'm going to continue to use it. So I want to thank Banish again. They're a great company. I'm really glad that I had the opportunity to work with them, and I will link the product below in the description and in a pinned comment so that you can find it when you're looking for it. Okay, moving on to the next. The next tool I want to talk about is actually the perfect companion to your microneedling, and that is going to be this one. This is an ice roller. If you're familiar with cold therapy, you know that it constricts blood vessels and can reduce inflammation and pain. And so when you apply something like this to your face, particularly after a microneedling session, it can be very cooling, soothing. It can reduce redness and calm inflammation. The massaging action of actually rolling this across the skin can also help to encourage lymphatic drainage, something I'm going to talk about more later. Around the eye area, it can reduce puffiness and dark circles. If you're someone who wakes up in the morning, particularly, and you have a lot of puffiness going on in the face, this is a great way to calm that down and reduce it so that you don't look quite so bloated in the morning. The cold therapy can temporarily tighten the skin and minimize the look of pores. Finally, this also improves circulation, and you can do it However, what's nice about this is there's no wrong way. Now, I keep mine in the refrigerator. You can keep this in the freezer. I just don't quite need that much cold going on. But as soon as it touches the face, it just feels just really soothing to the skin and very gentle. And this, after a session of microneedling, for sure, is going to feel really, really good. Which brings me to another of its effects, its benefits, is that it can improve your mood. Using something like this, if you get headaches, particularly sinus headaches in this area, using something like this can calm those headaches, and of course, it soothes irritated skin. If you have neck pain or stiffness in the neck, this can help. If you have hot flashes, this in the neck area will cool you down immediately. And you can use this anywhere on the body. I'm sure you know that cold therapy can help when you have muscle strains and pains in your muscles and joints and things like that. And so this is an easy way to get some cold therapy, on areas of your skin, like let's say here on the wrist, if you need that for muscle pain or joint stiffness or pain. And I almost forgot, it is believed that this kind of therapy can also help with sagging skin and wrinkles. So it's a win-win. It feels great when you do it, and it can just really soothe the skin. See, I have a little tension going on right now in my eyes, so something like this in the eye area, although I'm also wearing makeup, so I'm not going to do it, but that would feel really good, just rolling this over my eyes like this right now. Like that. That feels really good and relaxing. There is an ancient tradition of using cold therapy for beauty purposes, and this is how you've done it. I'm sure you've all seen the scenes in a movie where after a night of debauchery, the actor or the character wakes up in the morning, drags themselves to their kitchen sink, throws in a bunch of ice and some cold water, and plunges their face in the ice in order to not only wake up, but to bring their face back, which is probably bloated and puffed, to bring it back to something that looks like normal. So here's, not that any one of us has been out there having debauchery, I hope, or if you have, tell me all about it in the comments. But otherwise, no. Otherwise, yeah, this is it's convenient. It's a convenient way of getting ice therapy, and it feels really good while you're doing it. That is going to bring me to my next set of tools, and I'm going to save those for the next video. I'm just going to I think we've talked enough on this one. I'm doing 2 on this one, the microneedling and the ice rolling, and then in my next video, I will be talking about gua sha and jade rolling, which are 2 tools that are calming to your nervous system and are more holistic in the sense that it works inside as well as outside. So please come back for that. And in the meantime, if you have any thoughts on this video, then let me know them in the comments below. If you've tried any of these tools, let me know that, of course. And if you're a fan, let me know that too. So that's where I'm going to leave you for today. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. My uploading schedule has been a little wonky because there's a lot going on around here, so I kind of have to film when I can and edit when I can, so I never know exactly when things are coming up. But the next video will definitely be about 2 holistic calming tools that you should have in your repertoire. Okay, everybody, until I see you in that video, I'm just going to wish you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.